Real documents you'll need for a South Dakota LLC. Starting a business in South Dakota? Forming an LLC is one of the smartest moves you can make to protect your assets and give your company credibility. To get started, you'll need to file the articles of organization, which include your LLC's name, registered agent, office address, and organizer information. Think of it as your business's birth certificate. It officially establishes your company with the state. You'll also need an EIN for tax purposes, any required local business licenses, and to file your annual report each year to stay compliant. A registered agent is essential. They act as your official point of contact for legal documents, helping your business stay organized and avoid penalties. That's where Rapid Registered Agent comes in. With 18 years of experience, we've guided countless businesses through compliance and document management far more effectively than tackling it alone. We'll even help connect you with trusted legal professionals if you need one. Visit rapidregisteredagent.com today to see how our services strengthen your business and simplify your journey. Reclaim your time, reduce risk, and enjoy peace of mind while we take care of the details. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more business protection insights.